Hi, everyone. So this is our side-by-side comparison of managing your bank transactions in both QuickBooks and Odoo. So this is your working view in QuickBooks Online, and this is your working view in Odoo. And I will let you know that in both softwares, bringing in the transactions is basically the same thing. You can either connect to your bank automatically, or you can import files, either CSV or OFX files that you get from your bank. Same thing over here on QuickBooks. We can either link the account electronically or upload our files. All right. So let's go over here to Odoo, and we're going to just pop on in to our unreconciled transactions. And what I want to do is let's start here. I have a $13,000 deposit. And when I click on reconcile here, it gives me a list of all the transactions that haven't been reconciled yet. And when I see one that matches, I can select. Okay. Same thing again right here, $250 out, reconcile. I have this bill payment. Now we're matched. Okay. Now over here in QuickBooks, however, what they've done is they have this column here, match or categorize, that's giving me all the transactions that are matching exactly to the bank feed. Now, if it's not the right transaction, that's fine. I don't select it. But if it is, I just start going down this line, and I can hit my check marks. It's been a little slow today because it's hot out. So I can check my check marks, and you can see I have 7 transactions taken care of. All I have to do now is hit post, and they're done. So a very quick way to take care of things that are just simple matches. Okay. Now over here in Odoo, we have this other feature. So say I have this right here, this 392.08 going out, and it's loan interest. So maybe interest is something that happens frequently through the bank account. So I set up what Odoo calls a bank model. Okay. And the bank model, I've already set up as interest. Okay. So if I click on this button, it will automatically go into my interest account, right? Or I can just go here and I can set my account, and I can choose, interest expense. So either way works. Okay. Now, but over here in Odoo, so say here I have, so we'll look at the same transaction, interest expense. So it already knows, this is most likely interest. So it's there. I can just hit match. If it's not, I can obviously change the account to any other account that I want it to. And well, they're called bank models in Odoo. In QuickBooks, they're called rules, and we can set up rules, very easily. I can name a rule, interest, money out in all bank accounts. The description contains, the word interest. And then I can pull this down, and I can put it into, select my category, interest expense, anything else here, and I can save it. But I can also, so here's my, I can either have QuickBooks automatically add any of these transactions, or I can just take the auto add off, and it will give me the option of when this transaction comes up that I can select it and put it there. All right. So the software will automatically add it for me, or I can choose not to have it automatically add for me. Myself personally, I never do auto ads because I just like to see the transactions. I don't, yeah, that's just who I am. Everybody does things differently. I will show you here, same thing. I'm going to go down here and show you under our bank feeds. In Odoo, we do have model. You can set the model up to run automatically, and it will take care of it. So if I get this and hit this run now, I can go back to my bank matching, look at all my transactions, just not my matched ones, and you'll see that this has automatically gone to bank fees. All right. So obviously that's something that's up to you. If you want to do things automatically or not. And I will show you here with, in the QuickBooks model, as I had mentioned over here, I can just set the account to whatever I want it to go to. If I don't have a match or a model or something already set up, the same thing right here. If I want something here, I can, pick the category here. But also, if I have here, and I want to show you this, if I have more than one item that is going to the same account. So these were both payments on corporate taxes. So I just have to hit edit, expense, and I can just take this off my corporate taxes payable. It will be, out of the scope, and I can apply and post. But that way I can still take care of more than one transaction at the same time, which is very convenient. So that's basically it. So that's how things work in QuickBooks, and that's how things work in Odoo. And yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks very much and have a great day.